Hi, this is Jacob with MarketingPlayBook.co, and in this video we're covering how to create ad groups. Now there's two main ways to create ad groups. One is going to be manually inside Adwords, which is what this video is going to cover. The second way to do it is to semi-manually using the Adwords editor, which is going to be in the next video. And I actually create all my ad groups and ads inside the Adwords editor just because it's a much easier tool to use. However, there are times on the fly where you're going to need to be able to create an ad group. So we're going to quickly show you inside Adwords how to create an ad group. So I'm inside Adwords right now and I'm in my campaign already, which is Denver Dental. And when you first create a campaign, you'll be asked to create an ad group and an ad. You can just skip that if you want. So I'm going to go ahead and create an ad group. So we're going to hit the ad group button, and then I'm going to go ahead and name the ad group in the ad group name field. So in our Excel example from our keyword list that we downloaded from Google that had our keyword tools in it, we're going to go ahead and copy a phrase here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in family dentistry. And so I've named the campaign, and the next thing that you'll need to do is actually scroll all the way down and then set your default bid. So each ad group has to have a default bid in it. I'm just going to put a number in there. And then you can go ahead and hit the save ad group, and it'll go ahead and create that ad group for you. And right away it bumped me into the keywords tab to add in keywords. So I'm going to go back a step here. So I'm inside the ad group right now. I'm going to actually step backwards by clicking the Denver Dental, the campaign button up there. So, and go back to the ad groups tab, and you're going to see that that ad group was created right there. Now if you are creating ad groups manually, chances are you're probably creating all your ads manually, which again I do inside Adwords Editor. So at this time you can go ahead and go under Family Dentistry, add in the ad, or you could have just done it when you created your campaign. You can go ahead and create the ad for you right then and there inside the interface, or like I said, you can go to, I'm going to hit cancel ad group here, and I'm already inside. I'm going to go to my family dentistry, the ad group I just created. It's going to jump to the keywords tab. You can go to ads and go ahead and just add in your text ad right there, or the multiple ads if you're going to do it manually. And that's it for this video. It's very, very straightforward on how to create an ad group. In our previous videos, we talked about ad groups, what they are, and why we actually segment each ad group into its own keyword, as well as other grouping ideas for creating ad groups. So I highly recommend, if you have not watched the previous video on what is an ad group, I recommend you go back and you watch that video now. In the next video, we're going to be covering how to create an ad group inside the Adwords editor, which is how I personally do create most of my ad groups.